Well, guess who's 2 days old? This is little Mimsy. There's Chevy. And these little baby goats now, these little kids are 2 days old. 2 days old, and they are so active now. Oh my gosh. Look, they're climbing in things. They're kind of running. Yeah, oh. They are sweet as can be. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, Mommy's out getting some grazing time in. She's way far away. This is the furthest she's been away from them. She must feel that they're safe. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi. You climbing? You climbing? Yeah. Hi. Well, you can't go out quite yet. Yeah. Don't want to go where the big horses are yet. So there they are. Here comes Mom. Here comes Mom. Checking on her babies. Yeah. Yeah. Little wagging tail like a little dog. Hi, sweetheart. You're climbing. Oh, who's coming over? Hi there. Hi there. Hi. Who's coming over to visit? Checking out my shoe? Hi there, sweetie. Hi. Stand up so you can see them a little better here. There. Oh, almost venturing out of the stall there. That'll be a first. They're looking out. Kids are venturing out into the barn, are you? Close the barn door. I don't want horses running in here. Their first little adventure here. Look at that. Yeah. You're exploring. That's the milk stand. Yeah. You can see Mommy's looking carefully, watching her little babies. Want me to go bring her back? She's wandering. Yeah. She's coming back. Look at that little run. Okay, I'm getting on to 5 minutes already. I better take a break. Bye, everyone.